Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull on the channel. Guys, we are going to talk about where the description of the video says, so stick around and subscribe if it's your first. And we just want to say God is good, God is great, and we not thank him for no food, but Kaylan, amen. You see me? And my ear say John she da bath water differently in her sleep. She could wake up, etc. And watching the video from her mother update is like John was that. Or the point is she been there from last year November the 7th. John guys, and right now they in a December going a different year. Her mother really strong. It is also said that the girl them that gangbanger is to appear in court next year 2023, guys.
Back, she's here, fighting, still stronger, still having complications. Clot in the heart has been dissolved. I will not, you don't know me not telling a lie. Yes, it has been dissolved, so that is one good news and good thing. No, they see a Blackwood. God, feel we God, nah feel. The God where we serve, nah feel. That is so true. He will never fail. And then can run from man, can run from God. Can run from me, can run from God. That's how we know. Right? All right, John French. All right. She said, no talk about that. God is working it out. Yes, he's working it out. What that lady then you must sing that song, them, She did a tribute to Kaylan. What's her name? He's working it out. My God is working it out. No need to worry. Oh my God. I don't remember her name. Oh, anyway, back to the story. Kaylan is doing a test this week called a coronary angiogram and right heart catheterization. So basically, they're going to place a catheter inside her heart to record, that is hooked up to a machine that is going to record the pressure or volumes inside of the heart, because they think, well, that's how you diagnose it. The echo that she did gave them, hi Iceberg, the echo that she did showed signs of that condition, that there's too much pressure in the right side of the heart. So they're going to do this test to diagnose and treat. Yes, it is sad, but we're holding and we're trusting God. And you know, these are the things that I look on, because guys, I have to foot these bills and these people are walking around freely, not doing anything. The other day when you hear me talk about the $170,000 medication bill, I can't show you the receipts them. It's facts. Funny enough, I got another medication and the bill went over 200. I'm a laugh. But you know what? The thing is, it helped because she was very septic and the bacteria was resistant, and they had to double up and triple up the medications in order to fight back that bacteria, serratia, and another bacteria started to grow while she was on antibiotics. So when I see the seriousness of this, and she went down, and people not understand that she went down. You understand? So after all this, you can turn doctor. You know, yeah, it sound, trust me, I know. It sound good. But you know, Cheryl Rose Green. Yes, she did a tribute for Kaylan, and it was beautiful. Kim Karma. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to pay for this. Tomorrow. I'm gonna pay for this test, and she'll be doing it this week. It's already scheduled. Should have paid for it from yesterday. I wanna know the thing set already. So tomorrow when I go, I'm gonna sort it out and see. So if you can see that, for that test, the one test that. So when me talk, I don't think a joke. And a joke. I'm sorry, I never did take up some of the receipt them for the medication them day before and come sit down here. So it's me that is showing it to say and a joke thing. So you know, God is good. God He is providing, He's helping. There are persons still calling, still donating, still, you know, it might not be a lot, but I appreciate it because honestly, it goes a far way because I would not have been able to do it. Right? Yes, God can do the come on, girl. Of course, our God is a God of impossibilities. No, I don't have Zelle. I have Cash App, PayPal. Guys, oh, one more thing. For all the persons who asked me to go and open the US account, it is open. Man, where my bag there? Let me see if I can. Same time. The US account is open, guys. Me get it open. So because most of the things we have to pay for them in US dollars, and me keep on after buy back US for pay for things in the US. It don't make no sense. So people in the US and other places sending the money here to Jamaica, convert it to Jamaican dollars, and then when me for spend the money for pay for Kaylan tests and things, I have to do it in a US dollar. That don't make no sense. Pin my PayPal, Lord Jesus. I miss Angela. Ma, you can't wake up Angie? Ring her phone. Because all of them something here, Angela, you needed. Ring her, ma. Me know me go wake her, but she have to wake. Tell her if you just throw them up, let me get to pin them. Ma, do me a favor. Me purse up on my bed. Just lift up my blanket. Them all can take up your fire bed. Here are why me I tell everybody where purse. Me put on the purse a while ago. Asleep in my sleep? Angie, you can't do me that. Alright, guys. Kaylan is in ICU still, guys. Sorry. Kaylan is still in ICU. She's still holding on. She's still fighting. She's still, right? She's still, as I said, with this test, diagnosing the pressures in the heart. Yeah, the PayPal and it's something them the people where everybody asks for.
Something where people are asked for.
They believe that because it's the side of the heart that leads to the lungs. If I have a US account, I will be able to have a Zelle account. It's after 2 now, ladies. You are up, Shelly. Shut up. Okay. Battalions of angels over. Alright, guys. Alright, me gonna look into that.
YouTube and Instagram.
Right. I will look into that. She said if I have a US account, then I can open a Zelle. Alright, me gonna look into that. That I will look into when I finish the live. Me will go look into that. Alright, so but in the meantime, I will just give you guys the account number. I think them give me one paper too in a way there. The account number, the US account number is 20945971112, and that's for Jane, right? Same Jane, halfway tree, but it's 20945971112. Okay, she said she doubt that with a Jamaican one, and I don't know how I would deal with this. Girl, let me tell you something. A lady called me last night and she's saying She not understand how me keep up so strong. Let me tell you something. I ask her if she have any children. And she say yes. I ask her if her picnic in the hospital, if should I left him in there and not go back. She said, no, you're mad. I said, well, that's the same thing. I will not leave her there. Never. Me, I fight to the end. And I don't believe any mother who loves their child would leave them there. Any mother at all. I don't believe. If you love your picnic, me not believe, say, you go left them there. You know much people come and tell me about, me feel let her go. How can I let go of someone who is not dead? That makes sense to you? So if you go kill her, that you not tell me if you commit murder? Me must commit murder? Kill my own pitney? Uno mad. Uno see that face there? Uno see that smile there? If any of you stand up in a room with Kaylan, uno not stop laugh. That's the joy that she brings. Our mouth, I can't tell you now. Anybody stand in a room with Kaylan, a nurse can testify to this. They love to nurse her because anytime they go in a Kaylan cubicle, they might come out laughing. That's how jovial she is. I appreciate your strength, lady. Me have is strong. Me have is strong. I mean, I try to be strong. Me just know that me have is strong. Me just know say me have is strong for her. Because if I am not there, who is it? Who will be there?